Hey, what's up, world? I'm Malcolm Godwin with Chattanooga Home Inspector. For everybody or anybody that may not know Jeff Gill, I wanted to introduce Jeff. Jeff is one of our longest running technicians, or one of our top technicians, and a personal friend. So, Jeff, tell us about yourself, my friend.
So I'm a local guy. I live on Signal Mountain with 2 kids. I canoe on the weekends. I love officiating lacrosse. I love the speed of the game and the origin of the sport.
Jeff, does you being a former lacrosse official, umpire, whatever they're called, is that made you better as a home inspector because you're always telling people something they don't want to hear?
So I'm always in the middle between one side and the other, trying to find a happy medium. It's very much relatable to be a home inspector.
And how'd you hear about Chattanooga Home Inspector back in the day? You've been with us, what, 4 years?
Been here 4 years. Through one of our main men.
All right, that used to be your employee at one time, right?
Used to be my employee at one time. So I've worked for him, he's worked for me, now we work together.
Cool, so it is kind of like a family here. You know, being a small business, we're all kind of friends and family. So what do you like best about the job?
I love helping clients find the right house. Sometimes that's tough. Sometimes they go through 1 or 2 to find the right one. I love doing mold and radon tests. I'm the mold and radon specialist at Chattanooga Home Inspector. I love formulating a plan and going over with maintenance schedules with them and helping them integrate themselves into their new home.
So we may have to pause here because it might be an edit, but what do you like least about the company?
Travel.
Travel?
Travel.
There is a lot of window time.
There's some window time.
I mean, we cover Athens, Tennessee to Lafayette, Georgia. I mean, how far west have you been?
I've gone close to Monteagle and as far south as almost Rome, Georgia. Sometimes at 5 o'clock, that's tough to make it back for a Little League football game, but you know, it's got to be done. We take care of it.
So Jeff actually does like one inspection in the morning, and then he does our abundance of radon testing, mold testing, runs a sewer scope. Mm-hmm. That's a crappy job sometimes, right?
Crappy job. Again, got to be done.
It's got to get done. Cool, man. Well, if you had to tell anything or anyone about working here, what would that be? Well, I mean, if you were to tell them what working here is like.
I love working at Chattanooga Home Inspector. I get to work with some of the best professionals in the field. Top to bottom, I think we're the best. I don't see it getting any better.
Well, it's with the help of Jeff and a bunch of stellar staff that we're able to do quality assurance. We're able to make the process a lot better instead of being, you know, a guy with a ladder in a truck. So, so Jeff, what's your favorite movie for the crowd?
Smokey and the Bandit.
Smokey and the Bandit. How do you feel about Smokey and the Bandit 2?
Not a fan.
Yeah, that was a bummer.
Only one. Only one bird.
Right on. All right, guys. Well, this is my main man, Jeff. To find out more about him, you can call us or text us or check out his bio on the web.